Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this office chair for reviewing purposes. I think it's gonna be really nice to have it around. So let's start taking everything out of the box and let's see how it looks all assembled up. Okay, come on.
All the things inside the box comes really well protected, which I think that it's nice, and also I think that it's great that you get every screw and all the tools that you're gonna need to do this installation, the wheels of the chair and everything. And the proper installation process is actually really simple, and it doesn't take that much long. You can do it all by yourself, which I think that it's really nice. The proper chair it's quite spacious as it is quite wide, so you can sit really comfortable. In total it has a 6-point vibration massage places for back massage, waist massage, even in your hips or your lumbar area, which I think that it's great. You get in the rest of the chair some massage points and the seat another ones. You get the lift control, the tilt control. You can adjust it on many different positions, which I think it's nice. And with the remote control you can activate the 3 different massage area to change with the 8 different vibration modes with all the different strengths, and it even has an independent heat function, which I think that it's really great. It's super comfortable as it has a really thick cushion, which is also really breathable with a great elasticity, and as it is thick it feels really nice. It has a really nice padded headrest, some thickened wings. The reclining backrest is actually really nice. It has thick padded linens in the armrests, which I think that it's really great. That way you don't have to be uncomfortable with your arms or anything. And as I've said, it has a really spacious seats. Also, the retractable footrest is actually a really nice option to have. You can, as I've said, use it, not use it. You can select if you want it, which I think that it's really nice.
Okay guys, as you can see, it's already assembled up, and I think that it's, as I've said, really comfortable. I have it so that we can tilt it up all the way down, which I think that it's nice. And let me show you something. You can tilt it up like this, lock on the tilt. As you can see, it won't get right back once again. Just use the footrest like this, and it's really comfortable to be in here. Okay, so let me get back up. I can select how much I want it. If I want it a little bit angled, not all the way straight up like this, but if I want it like this, I can set it up like this to still being able to be comfortable in my office or wherever I am. And I can get the remote control to use all the different functions that I've said. Okay, let's turn it on, and you can feel it on the different areas. As I've said, you get a total of 6 points, 3 up here, 2 in the lumbar area, and another one on the proper seat. Okay, we can change the intensity, we can change modes, as I've said, and the heating function, which I think that it's really nice, perfect for being, well, comfortable working at your office, any kind of desk work, which I think that it's nice. If you want to be completely relaxed, you can just expand the footrest and be really comfortable. And that's how I can describe this chair. It's actually really comfortable, and overall, as you could see, it was a really quick assembly. Didn't take that much long. Actually, I did it all by myself. It comes with a really clear instruction manual, and it's really easy to use. And I think that it's really nice, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.